This is my first home, so we're decorating pants to celebrate. It'll be a memory of my house. Now it's time to go forage. First, I need my favorite tree. Sorry, not you. That one's dead. This is Freddie. He was planted when we moved in. Why is it foaming? I finally found some ferns. These make me feel like I live in a tropical paradise. Are ferns tropical? I have such beautiful irises. This one's sad. All right, I got some really good picks. I built this monstrosity out of tape. Hopefully this does the trick. Just drop it over. Time for a paper plate. Time to fit my head in here. This has to be done in the dark. A and B. Okay, welcome to my science experiment. Fill this up with water. Here is the second one. I just gotta shake these now, each one. I emptied my bottle. All right, now put this into the bottle. Here's the second bottle. They look the same, but they're not. So the water should be dark now. I'm gonna just mix it around. I've got my little foamy, getting it nice and wet, and just brush this on your pants. I'm covering my box in towels so no light gets in when it dries. These are my foliage, and I'm just placing these down because this will start working as soon as we lift up the box. I think these ferns will look so good. Some more right here. Time to lift the box. So I'm just gonna let all of this sunbathe for a couple minutes here. So now I'm just waiting and I am sweating. Hopefully this is worth it. I hope this ant carrying food just ends up on my pant. Now I'm gonna take these off. You can start to see a little small impression. In this economy, it was literally so hard to buy a house. So these pants in this house are just extra special to me. We're gonna see if this works. I feel like we got a good result. I'm just having fun with this, adding a good amount. Time to dunk. Whoa, that is amazing already. You want to rinse this really good. You can see all the yellow. That is just all this dye getting rinsed out. I can't believe how fast that happened. And I actually did the back as well. Look at that. This is amazing. This is my first summer in my new home, right on my pants. All my amazing trees and foliage. Just gonna wring out this extra water. Time to stick this in my dryer. I've been waiting all day for this moment, which you can tell because my hair looks terrible, like so bad. And now guess what? They're not in here because I have them on. And they're awesome. I feel like we needed to end where this all began. My first home, and now I have my first home pants. So let's take a look. Now these are all the plants that I found in my yard, which makes this so special. And I love that this will be a memory for me of my first summer here. It's just so cool. So now check out my first home pants. I love these. I'm really glad that I ended up going with front and back on this. You will never believe. I decided to fully wash my pants because I wanted to see how that changed things. Well, it changed things. It changed things a lot. All my hard work is out the window. I had no idea these were hand wash only. Time to try this again.